Welcome to my channel, Syeda Iconic. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many in today's generation: PCOS and PCOD. We all know the drill. Doctors prescribe medications, advise dietary changes, and recommend exercise to regulate periods. But often, these solutions fall short of being truly effective. As a nutritionist, I'm here to shed light on a crucial aspect that many overlook: estrogen levels and their direct link to thyroid disorders, especially hypothyroidism. It's more common in women with PCOS than in the general population. This hormonal imbalance can be a significant factor in the challenges faced by teenage girls and women dealing with PCOS or PCOD. Did you know that iodine plays a vital role in this equation? Iodine is essential for the production of thyroid hormones, which regulate metabolism, growth, and development. Without enough iodine, the thyroid gland struggles to produce these hormones, leading to hypothyroidism. Iodine deficiency is a serious issue, linked to health problems like goiter, intellectual disabilities, and developmental delays in children. But fear not. You can easily boost your iodine levels through your diet. Iodized salt, seafood, dairy products, and seaweed are excellent sources. Celtic salt, rich in essential minerals, is particularly beneficial. You can also use Lugol solution, applied to the inside of your arm, to quickly raise your iodine levels. If you're curious about diet plans or what to eat to support your thyroid health, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. And if you have any other health-related topics you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments. If you find this information valuable, please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching.